Hello everybody, good evening. Alright, good evening everybody and hope you're good. So we are looking at Forex trading and it's a beginner class. So that is what we're looking at. We're looking at Forex trading and all about Forex trading is what we'll be looking at for this series that we'll be having this training. Okay, so can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? So I'll try as much as possible to make things very easy for you by not giving you a book knowledge, what you need is a practical one in understanding all about Forex, and that's what I'll be putting you through, not the book knowledge thing. Okay, good, perfect. So what is Forex? What is Forex all about? So that's what we're looking at. So Forex is, the word Forex is foreign exchange. The word Forex is foreign exchange. So, and before now, those that trade Forex are financial institutions, majorly financial institutions. We're talking of foreign, for example, central bank of your country, central bank of another country, World Bank, different banks. Those are the ones trading Forex. It's not for individuals, but over time technology made it very easy and simple that individuals can also trade Forex. So technology made it very simple for individuals to also trade Forex. So now it's easy for individuals to also trade Forex, and that's why you and I can also trade Forex. I'm trying to load my screen so that you can see the dashboard, but while we're waiting for that, we'll just continue with that. So now people can trade Forex and you make money. So what do you do in Forex trading? You buy currencies and you sell currencies. That's what you do in Forex. You buy currencies and you also sell currency. That's what people do in Forex trading. Okay, we have the BDX guys that exchange dollars, and that's what we do online in foreign exchange. Okay, that's what people do online when we're doing foreign exchange. You're actually buying a currency and you're also selling another currency. So that's the major thing that Forex is all about, and you leverage on the weakness of a currency and also on the strength of another currency. So I'm going to load my screen now and bring it to you so that you can see my screen. Okay, let me bring my screen up. Can you see my screen now? If you can see my screen, type yes, so I'll know that you can see the screen. Can you see my screen? Type yes if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Type yes if you can see my screen. Okay, good. So there is an application that is used for Forex trading. So you're going to download the application. I'll send you the link, but you can also check Google. The name of the application is MetaTrader 4, or you call it MT4, MetaTrader 4 or MT4. So if you go to Play Store, you can download it there. If you go to iOS Store, you can also download it there. You can download it to your phone, and there's also a PC version of it, so you can also download to PC. Okay, so you can download to PC too. There's a PC version of it and it's called MetaTrader, but majorly is also called MT4. MT4, there is MT4 and there is also MT5. That is what is used for foreign exchange. The BDX guys do their own on the street physically, but as a foreign exchange trader, you do your own online with applications. That's the difference. So you're going to download MT4 or MT5, but I'll prefer you download MT4. So I'm going to show you how the app looks. So the app looks like this. Okay, this green wavy lines are called candles. I'm also going to introduce you to that. And what that does is that you can make money when these things are going up, and you can also make money when these things are coming down. Okay, so you can make money both ways. When it is going up, it is called bullish, or it is bull, or they will say long. Those are the terminologies used. Okay, if it is going up, you can say it is bullish. You can say it's a bull. You can also say long. So if it's going up and you place a buy trade, you will make money. Okay, if it is coming down, they call it bearish, or short, or bear. Those are the three words they use. Either you say bear, bearish, or short. So long is for buy, short is for sell, bull is buying, bear is selling. Or you say bullish. If it is bullish, it is going up. If it is bearish, it is coming down. Do you understand that? So you need to understand those three things. Okay, so you can make money when it is going up, and you can make money when it is coming down. What I'm trying to do in this training for you people is not to bug you with theories and definitions, and no, I want to go into the practical side of it for you, and I want to make it as easy as possible for you, so you don't need to waste time before you start trading. Okay, so if it is possible to make money in both ways, then why are people not making money? Why are people losing money? People can lose money when your prediction is wrong. If you predict that it will go up and the thing is going up, you will make money. If you predict that it will go down and the thing is going down, you will make money. So when you predict it's going up and it's going down, then you will lose money. If you predict that it's going down and it's going up, you lose money. So that's how people lose money, and that's how people make money. So Forex in itself, the skill that you now need to master, the skill is for you to understand how to analyze the market. Okay, the skill is for you to understand how to analyze the market, because if you can understand how to analyze the market, then you will make money. If your analysis are right, you will make money. If your analysis are wrong, you will lose money. So the major skill when it comes to Forex trading is analysis. Okay, analysis. There are two major types of analysis. Okay, the first type of analysis is called fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis, that's the first type of analysis in Forex. Fundamental analysis. The second type of analysis in Forex is technical analysis. Okay, the first is fundamental analysis, the second is technical analysis. What do you do? How do you analyze fundamentally? What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis deals with news and the economy of countries. It deals with news and economies of countries. So the way that Russia and Ukraine are having war now, a fundamental analyst will use it to determine whether to buy or to sell. Did you get that? If the president of America issues a statement now, a forex trader will use it to analyze the impact of dollar to other currencies. So if his analysis are right, he may say, oh, dollar, people will buy more dollar now based on what the president said. Or people will start selling dollar now because they feel that, oh, dollar is getting weak. So based on the analysis, people start trading. They buy or they sell based on major news. That is what fundamental analysis is all about. Technical analysis is done with the use of indicators. Technical analysis is done by looking at price behavior over time. You are looking at the behavior. Price has a pattern, the same way life has a pattern. Life has a pattern, true or false? Life has a pattern. The sun comes up in the morning, goes down in the evening, and rain falls. There are summer, there are winter. Are you getting? So there are seasons of life, and these seasons are like in circles. They come and go, they come and go. That is how price also is. Price has a pattern. There is a pattern. Even individuals, we also have a pattern. You wake up in the morning, you sleep in the night, you eat in the morning. When you're hungry, you do this. You wear clothes, you go out. So there's a pattern. Everybody has some pattern or the other that we're living our life with. So price also has a pattern, and that pattern is for you to now decode. If you can decode the pattern, then you can trade based on the pattern. I don't know if it's making sense. So if you can decode the pattern of price, then you are going to be trading based on the pattern, and you'll be making money. So that is how technical analysts trade in Forex. So there are some people that trade with fundamental analysis. There are some people that trade with technical analysis. So those technical analysis, they are indicators. They are called indicators. You will familiarize yourself with that word over time. It's called indicators. So there are indicators that are used that can help you to detect the movement of price, the direction price may go to, the direction price just left, and the likes. But these indicators are not 100% perfect. They are not 100% successful all the time. Some indicators can give you a higher win rate, maybe 70%, 85%, but no indicator can give you 100%. Okay, so you now need to, and there are lots of indicators out there. There are so many. Are you getting? There are many ways that you can analyze the movement of price. So there are many patterns that price has, but you will learn as many as you can and have a strategy as you go on and trade with a strategy. That's how to make money. Have a strategy that gives you a higher win rate, not the one that you're looking for 100%. It gives you a higher win rate. Trade with that. You'll make more profits. You may make losses too, but your profits will cover up for the losses. Hope you understand. Good. So having established that, there are some people that trade with technical and fundamental. They combine the two. Okay, so there are some people that do that, and you can always do anyone you feel comfortable with. So this dashboard you're looking at is the MetaTrader 4 dashboard. What is the major difference between MT4 and MT5? MT5 is the recent version, the upgraded version of MT4, but MT4 has been the one in operation, in use for a long time, and introducing MT5, they can't scrape off MT4 just like that, because that has been a stable version that is used by traders across the globe for trading. So they introduced MT5. MT5 has lots of features that MT4 does not have, but they allow the two to work together. Okay, so you're going to be downloading MT4 after this class. Now, when we end the session, you're going to download MT4 so that in the next class you would be able to open your MT4 and learn along. Okay, so let me quickly show you some things before we end the session for tonight. In your MT4, up here we have the file, the view, the insert, the charts, the tools, the window, and the help. I believe you can see that, right? Good. So let me zoom in now. This is where you zoom in. Can you see this zoom in icon? You can zoom in. Can you see that? And you can zoom out. Don't worry, in the next class I'll do a video. You will follow me as I'm doing these things. So today is just like a quick overview. On Wednesday, when we have the next class, you will open your MT4 and we'll go through it one by one so that you can understand. So let me zoom in now. You can right click here, go to properties. I'm just displaying it for you. Some of you that have photographic brain, you can go back, download the app and watch how to do these things, but I will still take you through, so don't worry. Okay, then you come to color scheme, then you select black and white. Have you seen that? Good. Let me go back again. You go to properties, come to common, then let me remove the grid. Have you seen that it's plain now? Those grid lines are gone. Okay, good. So the next thing is this. Let me zoom in again. Look at this. I'm hovering over here and you can see there is bar charts, there is candlesticks, and there is line charts. Let's see the three. This is candlestick. Can you see that? Then this is line. So we are going to be working with candlesticks. Candlesticks, as a trader, as a forex trader, you will hear more of candlesticks. Candlesticks. We would have a class for that, so don't worry. Okay, you just be patient. I'm ready to teach you everything that will make you successful as a trader and you start trading. So these are candlesticks. They are called candlesticks. Let me move in closer. Have you seen it? So they are called candlesticks. These candlesticks can be of any color. That's the name it's given. That's the terminology used in forex trading. Okay, this candlesticks represents price. This candlesticks represents price. It can be in any color, but the popular colors are green and red, black and white. Okay, the popular colors are what? Green and red, black and white. When it is going up, it's green. When it is coming down, it's red. Okay, when it is going up, it's green or white. When it is coming down, it's black or red. Let me say it one more time. If it is going up, it is green or white. If it is coming down, it is black or red. So any of the colors are okay for you. Let's assume we want to change the color. You right click on the dashboard, you come to properties, you come to colors. Okay, then bull. Remember the word bull, bullish and long. This is where you will change it to green. Have you seen that? Can you see that now? Then if you want the black to be red, then you come and change this candle, bear candle, change it to red. Good. I'm sure some of you, if you've watched some videos online, you will see that you are familiar with this kind of candle. So let me zoom out now. So some of you may be familiar with something like this. Okay, so let's move on. The next thing I need you to see and to understand is that, remember I said that the candlestick or a candle is a representation of price. So the candle in itself is the representation of price. So if the candle is going up, it means price is going up. If the candle is coming down, it means price is coming down. Okay, so that's how to identify what price is doing. So if you want to identify what price is doing, is for you to look at the candles. Once you look at the candle, you can say, oh, it's a bullish candle, it's a bearish candle. Good. So there is what is called time frame. That's the next thing. Time frame. Let me write it down. Time frame. Time frame. Okay, there is what is called time frame. So what is time frame? These candles, each of these candles you are seeing is forming within a specific time frame. Okay, each of these candles you are seeing is forming within a specific time frame. So up on your MT4, this is the desktop version. As we go on, I will also do a mobile version of this tutorial so that you can see the mobile version and how to operate it. For some that don't have a laptop, I will do that for you. Okay, so this is the desktop version. What you see here is M1. It means 1 minute. Let's look at it. So what does this M1 means? It means that each red candle you are seeing, this red candle, it took 1 minute for it to finish forming. After it finished forming, it moves to the next candle. So let's start from here now. Let's start from here. So let's look at the first candle, which is here. So this is 1 minute. It took 1 minute for price to finish forming this candle. Then after that, it will jump here and start forming this one for another 1 minute. Then it will jump here to form another 1 minute. So if we were to count now, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For example, these 10 candles, it took 10 minutes for price to form it. It took 10 minutes for price to form it from this one to this one. Can you see? So 10 minutes for that candle to form. So when you are on M1, every candle is formed within 1 minute. That is what M1 is all about. Okay, let's look at the next one. We see 5 minutes, M5. Let's go there. Okay, so this is M5. The same thing applies to this. Every candle takes 5 minutes before it is formed. After 5 minutes, the next candle will start from 0 and start forming for another 5 minutes. Then the next candle. So even when you see a candle that is as tiny as this, I don't know if you can see my mouse. See my mouse here. So if you can see my mouse, this candle looks tiny, but guess what? It also took 5 minutes for it to form. So it's not that, oh, the longer candles like this takes 5 minutes and the shorter candle takes less than. No, if you're on M5, every candle forms within 5 minutes. Okay, the bigger the candle in terms of the color, when you see a full color red, it means that price was strong. But when you see a tiny candle like this plus, or like this other one here that is very slim to form and the green is slim, it means that price is getting weak in some directions. Okay, good. This is M15. It also means 15 minutes. You can see it. So what does this mean? It means that it took 15 minutes for each of these candles to form. 15 minutes for each of these candles to form. M30, this is the next one. It means that it took 30 minutes for each of these candles to form. Even if the candle is as slim as anything like these candles, it's still 30 minutes. And when it's slim and like a plus like this, it has a meaning, it has a name. Each of these candles you are looking at, they have a name. Okay, every candle has a name. So these candles have a name, and that name will tell you price is about to do something. So we'll also be looking at candlesticks, and we'll also be looking at what they mean and what you should do with it. So if you see a candle like this now, it's telling you that something is about to happen. And look at it, it happened, it fell. Okay, so every candle has a name, and price has a behavior, which we'll also be looking at. Okay, then we have H1. H1 means 1 hour, which means every candle forms within 1 hour. We're looking at time frame. Hope you get. We're looking at time frame. That's what we're looking at. So, and that's why we are looking at this time frame here. So every of the candle you're seeing here took 1 hour to form. We also have H4. I'll be rounding up shortly. Okay, then if you have questions, you can type it, then I'll answer it in the next video. H4, each of these candle forms for 4 hours. That's what H4 means, 4 hours. Each of these candle is forming every 4 hours. So it will take 4 hours for each candle to form, then it will move to the next to form. That's how price is going. Okay, then we have D1. D1 means daily. D1 means daily. So you can see D1, for example. Now if let me zoom in, if you look at it now, this is day 1. It took a whole day for this candle to form. It took another day for this candle to form. So let's assume that this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday, this is Saturday, this is Sunday. So for example, on Monday the whole market was bullish. Inside this bullish trend, you have sometimes when people are selling, buying, but majority of what happened that day was bullish. That's what this daily candle means, for example. Hope you understand. Then we have weekly. This is a weekly candle now. Everything still looks the same. The difference is this: each candle takes longer to form or shorter time to form, depending on the time frame that you are in. Okay, the time frame you're in is what determines if the candle will take a longer time to form or a shorter time to form. And if you are a technical analyst, if you are trying to work with technical indicators, you will be using these different time frames to predict the pattern of price so that you can enter a buy or a sell trade. Hope you understand. Then the last one is monthly. So for example, this candle now, if you look at this candle, we are on weekly time frame, right? What does that mean? It means that this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8, week 9, week 10. So it took 1 week for this whole candle to form. Okay, and that 1 week it's a combination of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, let's look at the last time frame, monthly time frame. So monthly time frame means it will take 1 month for 1 candle to form, another 1 month for another candle to form. So if we were to look at this now, we'll say, oh, this is January, for example. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 1 year. So this is 1 year, for example. Then we go to the next year, January. So if you look at the bottom of this screen, what do you see at the bottom of this screen? You will see, let's look at this first one. It says 1st January 2019. Are you getting? Then March 2019, May 2019, and the like. So it is also showing you that we are on a monthly time frame. Okay, if you look at it now, 1st January 2019, if we go to 1 hour time frame, look at it again, you can see 2019 is gone from the bottom. Can you see where my mouse is? From the bottom, 2019 is gone. What we now have is 3rd November 2022. Okay, so that will always change based on the time frame that you're in. So as a trader, you learn to trade by understanding the movement of price. If price goes up and comes down, it keeps doing it in a pattern. Once you understand the pattern, you can start trading and you'll be successful as a trader. I'm going to stop the session there for tonight, and by the next class I believe you would have downloaded MT4 so that we can enter the trade and you will see the movement of price, and I'll start teaching you those indicators, and we'll be entering a demo trade so that you can see how things are done. Okay, so download the MT4 on your PC, then download the MT4 on your mobile device. Download it, don't do anything. In the next class you will open a demo account. I'll show you how to open a demo account where you have a paper money that you can use to do demo trading. So you don't need to put in your money now, okay, so that you don't lose the money. So you would put in a paper money and you will use the paper money to trade. When you master your skill, then you now go on a live account. I'll also tell you a broker that you can use. Okay, let me also mention this. A broker is like an institution, or it's an agent that helps you to trade. Okay, the same way a bank helps you to do financial transaction, a broker is also like a bank in Forex that helps you to trade. Okay, so a broker helps you to trade. In the next class I'll tell you what a broker is. I'll tell you more details on what is called spread. There's something called spread. In the next class I'll tell you what it is. In the next class I'll tell you what leverage is, margin, and the likes. I'll tell you all of those things in the next class so that you would be more familiar with the terminologies and you would start demo trading, and we'll go deeper throughout this training series. It's a training series, so try not to miss it so that you can get the best from this class. Do you have any question? You can type your question in case you have a question. I'll try and answer it now, and if I cannot answer it now because of time, then in the next class I'll write it down and answer it before we go into the class. Any question? You can think through the class. I'll leave the video open so that you can go back to it and watch, but I'll try as much as possible not to bug you with informations. Remember that you did not jot down many things in terms of definitions and the like. No, I want to try and make it as practical as possible. Okay, so thank you for your time. I hope this has been helpful to you. So thank you for your time. See you in the next 2 days, and we'll continue with our class.